Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Dyson Cordless Vacuum. Now if it's making a noise like this, like it's going on and off, that means it's clogged. So I'm going to show you how to unclog it. Plus I'm going to show you how to take it all apart so you can clean it nice, okay? Okay guys, first thing you want to do is get rid of whatever dirt. This might be all packed with junk. Just press on this, that releases that, and just take all the stuff out of there, bang it out. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you want to disconnect it from here. Just press on this and pull out, okay? And also on this side, okay? Checking here, make sure there's no junk in there. Make sure you can see through it. And this is your culprit right here. There's a bunch of stuff stuck in here. Damn. There's a lot of stuff. All right, that fixed the problem. Now I'm going to show you how to take everything apart so you can clean it nice, okay? Okay, you want to take out the filter. Now this is a filter. It's hard to sometimes grab it. So you just grab a pair of pliers and lift this up. Just clean it up, put it in, run it under hot water or whatever. And make sure it dries before you put it back together. This one's pretty clean. My wife just cleaned it recently. Okay, let's take this apart. So we're gonna take this canister off first. So the first thing you want to do, you already know that when you press this, that releases that. But if you press it all the way down, it releases it from up here, okay? And now this is like a little clip up here that holds it, but just wiggle it and this whole thing comes off. Now you can clean this part. Okay guys, next step is taking this part off. So what you want to do is, see this part over here? You just want to get a screwdriver under it, okay? And just pry it away from that. Now there's clips and stuff over here, so you want to just get under it and just pry it away. There you go. Same thing on this side. There you go. Now this whole thing comes off. See how dirty it is? You can clean it. All right, see how dirty this whole thing is. So next step, we're gonna take this off. Okay guys, to take this off, you gotta take off the little screws that are here, over here. There's 5 of them. Another one down here and here. And you're gonna need like one of these little star-looking Torx bits. Okay guys, this part you don't want to get wet because this is where the battery and the motor and everything is. So just brush it off. Okay guys, we got everything nice and clean. This part, just remember, this connection's over here, so try not to get it wet. But if you do get it wet, just use like a blow dryer or something. Try to get everything nice and dry in there, okay? So now let's put this back together. If you notice, this part, it looks like a flower, but this part is like semi-flat. This part goes against the back here, so you're just gonna put it on just like that. Next step is putting this piece on. So just take this little piece that goes towards this. So just put it all in there. And this is just gonna snap in place, okay? Like that, that's it. All right guys, next step is putting this part in. So there's like a little hole here. So what you're gonna do is put that part first against this, okay? So you're gonna put it, kind of wiggle it in there, and then once it goes in there, push up and snap it in place. All right guys, we're gonna clean the brushes next. So in order to do that, we're gonna take this part off, okay? And turn it counterclockwise. You're gonna lift this part up and pull it out from this side, okay? Now you want to take off the brush, so what you're gonna do is same thing, turn it just a little bit, and it's spring loaded, so it comes right up. Okay guys, if you want, you could take this part off. There's 1, 2, 3, 5 plus 2 over here. So let's do that. What the hell? I already got this tool out. Might as well do it. Alright guys, let's put the brush in. I'm just gonna slide it in. Don't force it in, you know. And then turn this. Once it goes in, you twist it a little bit and it locks in place. Alright guys, now we gotta put this piece in. And in order to do that, there's like a little hook here. See it? This piece goes in here, okay? So we're gonna go put it in there first. Come down, snap it in place. And then take your screwdriver and lock it, okay? That's it. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.